In today's video, I'm going to teach you Webflow AI tutorial. How to create a website with Webflow AI step by step. AI in Webflow. We'll walk through creating a brand new site using Webflow's AI site builder, keeping everything simple, clear, and efficient. By the end, you'll have a solid starting point you can customize to match your branding goals without writing a single line of code. From your Webflow dashboard, the process begins right where you manage your projects. This is your command center, and it's where you'll create something new. Look for the option to start a new build and get ready to let the AI do the heavy lifting. Click New Site. This opens the creation flow where Webflow offers different ways to begin. You could start from a blank canvas or a template, but today we're leaning on AI to generate a professional layout and initial content in minutes. Choose the AI site builder. This is the tool that interprets your instructions and produces a structured, editable website. Think of it as a creative partner that drafts the first version so you can focus on fine-tuning rather than starting from scratch. Next, enter your prompt. This is the most important part. Be specific about what you're building and who it's for. For example, describe the business or project, the audience, the tone or style, and the pages or sections you want, like a hero section, features, testimonials, pricing, or a contact form. If you have preferences for colors, typography, or imagery, mention them. The clearer your prompt, the better the initial result. You can always refine later, so don't worry if it's not perfect on the first try. Once you submit your prompt, Webflow AI will generate a site structure, visual layout, and placeholder content. You'll see a complete design with sections already organized for you. This is your foundation. Now customize it however you want. Replace placeholder text with your real copy, adjust headings for clarity, and swap images for brand appropriate visuals. Tweak colors and typography to match your identity and refine spacing to improve readability. If the AI created sections you don't need, delete them. If you need more detail, duplicate a section and adapt it. Use the navigator and style panels to keep things organized and consistent. Preview on different breakpoints to make sure it looks great on desktop, tablet, and mobile, and make small adjustments so everything feels polished across devices. When you're happy with the look and feel, take a moment to scan for consistency. Button styles, link colors, icon sizes, and section padding. A few thoughtful tweaks here make a big difference in perceived quality. And that's it. Congratulations. You've created a website with Webflow AI, starting from a clear prompt and finishing with a design that's truly yours. Keep iterating, and your site will only get better.